Hello everyone. Cakes are all-time favorite, and when coming on to kids, it's their favorite and they love it to have all the time. But we just can't go out all the time and buy for them. So why don't we prepare it at home itself in bakery style, that too with fluffy and spongy texture, and it tastes yum. If you follow the simple tips and tricks, you can just be a pro in making these cupcakes. And also this process is without oven and without egg. So if you present these cupcakes in this style, you'll get 10 out of 10 when you have some birthday parties or guests around. So why late? Let us start. Take a mixing bowl and add 1.5 tablespoon of butter. Remember, it should be at room temperature. And I have taken 1.5 cup of powdered sugar. I have blended the sugar in the mixie and then I have added here. See, the same cup I am using for the measurements till the end of the video. So I have added 1 full cup of milk. That too, your milk should be at room temperature. So give it a nice mix and add 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence and give it a nice stir, and place all these mixture or add this mixture into a blender and blend it till you get a thick consistency like this. Now take it into the mixing bowl again and place a sieve on the bowl and add 1.5 cup of maida. First I have added only 1 cup of maida and then baking powder and then a pinch of baking soda. Give it a nice sieve it over here and stir it. So you don't skip sieving if you want to have some fluffy and spongy cupcakes. Now again add remaining half a cup of maida or all-purpose flour and give it a nice stir. See, you should get this dropping consistency but not pouring consistency like water. Dropping consistency is something the batter should be a thick and ribbon type. Okay, now place your cupcakes on the appam pan and add all the batter into it. If you don't have appam pan over here, take some chutney katoris or bowls and place them on them and then place it. Now dab your cupcakes without any air bubbles and add some sprinklers for toppings or some choco chips, and then that's it. Your cupcakes are all ready to bake. Now take a pan over here and preheat the pan for 5 minutes on high flame. Now once your pan is ready, place this appam pan on the stove and then close the lid and bake for 5 minutes on high flame and 15 minutes on medium flame. I suggest you not to take this non-stick pan. Instead, you can take an iron kadai or an aluminium and then you can bake these cakes, because you will get this greasy smell and all that smell will be absorbed by the cupcakes and you will spoil the taste. So I humbly request you and suggest you not to use these non-stick pans. So that's it. After 20 minutes of baking, your cupcakes are like this, spongy and fluffy, smooth and soft in texture, and it also really tastes yum. So try these at your home itself and give them to your kids like a snack or an evening snack. And when you have some birthday parties around, you do try this, and if you present them like this, you are going to get 10 out of 10 for sure. So don't delay, try these today and let me know how it turned to you. And yeah, if you want these cupcakes, you will get these cupcakes and these toppings whatever I have used in any supermarket, or else you can find all these things in Amazon. If you want the link, you can find it in the description below. So enjoy these cupcakes. Bye bye.